أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله وكفى والصلاة والسلام على نبينا المصطفى وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه وبعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
So today, our next topic, we just finished with the blog, alright, alhamdulillah. So our next topic, our next discussion is going to be on Nahwu, ilmun Nahwi, ilmun Nahwi. And the first thing that we going to discuss, like I said, the book I want us to use is Kaifa Tutkinun Nahwu, right?
No.
That is the book I want us to use. But before then, I would just like to familiarize yourselves with Nahwu al-Waضح and Nahwu al-Waضح and Nahwu al-Waضح. We want to familiarize ourselves, so like some kind of refresh our memory, our minds on certain, because Kaifa Tutkinun Nahwu is actually a little bit what is the name? Advanced. I hope you understand. So that's why we want to refresh our minds on this. And the first thing that we're going to discuss is al-Jumla al-Mufida. Al-Jumla al-Mufida. When you say in Arabic language, when you say al-Jumla al-Mufida, what does that mean? It means a statement that has fa'ida, a statement that has complete understanding, that makes you understand something very easy. It's not all statements that will make you understand something. Like someone can construct so many words, can put so many words together, tarkibul kalimat, but it doesn't make the word meaningful. It doesn't make the statement meaningful. I hope you understand. So for instance, if I say Dhahaba akala katafa, you see, it's tarkibul kalimat that I'm doing, but the statement has no meaning. So only the statement that has a complete meaning, we call it al-Jumla al-Mufida. That a jumla, a statement that is what really that has fa'ida. So in Arabic language, before a statement before any statement is considered having fa'ida or a complete statement, then that statement should be a construction of what? Multiple words. Multiple words. I hope you understand. So that in other words, just one word cannot give you a complete understanding of. It cannot be a statement, just one word. I hope you understand. Unless it is what?
Two or more.
I hope you understand. So for instance, if you say Al-Bustan, Al-Bustan Jameel. Right?
No.
Al-Bustan Jameel. Al-Bustanu Jameel. Al-Bustanu Jameel. Oh yeah, Al-Bustanu Jamilun. So but you just add a waqf. So I mean Al-Bustanu Jameel. What is the meaning?
The garden is beautiful.
The garden is beautiful. So the garden is beautiful. Al-Bustanu Jameel. Does it make a complete statement in your ears or not?
Yes, it does.
I hope. Why? Because it's a combination of two words. I hope you understand. And Al-Bustan Jameel, it becomes a very But also bear in mind, not all multiple words can actually bring out the meaning. Just like in the English language, we have a statement, we have a word, a statement. We have a word, a phrase, and a statement. Okay, a phrase doesn't give you a complete meaning, but a statement does. I hope that. So for a statement to have, any construction of words to have meaning, it has to form a statement. It has to be in the form of a statement. That means it has, a subject and what, and predicate. I hope you understand. So it's the same thing here. Al-Bustanu Jamilun. So we can say this is a subject and then this is the what? The predicate. I hope you understand. So like Mubtada and then the what? The khabar. I hope you get that. So that's the subject and predicate in English language. Do you get that? So the next example is Ash-Shamsu Tali'atun. Ash-Shamsu Tali'atun. What is the meaning?
The sun is up or it's rising.
The sun has risen.
Yeah.
The sun has risen.
Yeah.
So does it make a complete statement or not?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Now, Shamma Ali Warda.
And Ali sniffed the rose.
So does it make a complete statement or not?
Yes, it does.
Qatafa Muhammad Zahra, right?
No.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Qatafa Muhammad Muhammadun Zahra. Qatafa Muhammadun Zahra. What is that?
Muhammad has plucked the flower.
He has plucked the flower. Kanti.
Yeah.
A flower. Qatafa. So does it? So like all these words, you see, like the words. Make sure you are also like familiarizing yourself with the words, of course, because that's like the word shamma. You should know that. You should know the meaning. Qatafa, of course, is like what any word that is new to you, you have to learn it today and then put it at the back of your mind and never forget it, because anytime the word is mentioned, then you remember, oh, when this word you came across the word in النحو الواضح. النحو الواضح. So يعيش السمك في الماء. يعيش السمك في الماء. What's the meaning?
The fish is swimming in the sea.
يعيش السمك في الماء. The fish swims in the sea. And does it makes a complete statement or not?
Yes, it does.
It does. And then what is the name?
يكثر النخيل في
يكثر النخيل في المصر. يكثر النخيل في المصر. What is it? يكثر النخيل في المصر.
Plenty dates in Egypt.
يكثر النخيل في مصر. Dates are
plentiful in Egypt.
They are increasing in term, you know what I mean? In Egypt. يكثر. يكثر النخيل في مصر. Now, does it make a complete statement or not?
Yes, it does.
It does. So, meaning that all these words, you realize that they are multiple of what? All the statements, each of the statement is what? A combination of what? Two statements.
Yeah.
Now, when you take only the first one, Al-Bustan, does it make any sense?
No.
It's a name. It's a name of something.
Yeah.
It's a name of something, right?
Yeah.
It's a name of a garden. It's a garden. When you say garden, what does it mean? What does it mean? Nothing. When you say Jamil.
Beautiful.
So you see, like to some extent, it makes sense, but there's a question could be arising from it. I hope you understand what I say. Al-Bustan. When you say Jamil, you know, sometimes somebody does something, say, wow, Jamil. So it makes sense.
Yeah.
But someone who doesn't know what is happening, what would the person ask? The person will ask question, what is Jamil?
What is Jamil?
So that means your statement is not complete. I hope even though the word that has meaning, but in terms of being a statement, it's not complete. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So and the same applies to Tali'atun. So in essence, when you take them word by word, even though the word will have a meaning, but it doesn't make al-jumla to al-mufida. It doesn't make a complete statement or a complete sentence. I hope you understand. For it to be a complete sentence, then it has to be combined. It has to مركبة من كلمتين أو من كلمتين أو أكثر. So that's why it's making a definition here. التركيب الذي يفيد فائدة تامة يسمى جملة مفيدة ويسمى أيضا كلاما. ويسمى أيضا كلاما. Right? التركيب الذي يفيد فائدة تامة يسمى جملة مفيدة ويسمى أيضا كلاما. نعم. And then الجملة المفيدة مفيدة قد تتركب من كلمتين وقد تتركب من أكثر وكل كلمة فيها تعد جزءا منها. فيها تعد جزءا منها. So that's the kawaid. I mean the qaida. The qaida number one is this one. So the word has to be for the jumla to be mufida, then it should be multiple of what? 2 words. الذي يفيد فائدة تامة يسمى جملة مفيدة ويسمى أيضا كلام. So it's جملة مفيدة or كلام or a statement. A complete sentence or a statement. And then the other definition, the other qaida is the what? Al-jumla. So you see, basically what النحو الواضح does is he brings you the examples. I hope you understand, and then he brings you the qaida or, underneath. Okay, and that is how what we're going to. I mean, we can decide to be taking the qaida and then deals with the example, but mostly I think the examples are coming first. Whichever ones you guys want, we can deal with that. So and then the second qaida over here, you say al-jumla al-jumlatu al-mufidatu kan tatarakabu min kalimatayn. Al-jumlatu. Now let me clean the other one.
No, kaka saruwa. Yayi.
Oh. Yeah. Ba saruwa yana kana ka koya.
Okay.
Kaga yanzu zaka yi mafita easy. Ai shi ba easy ne. Okay. So
Ruwan nan.
yes. Ma ko ba option. Okay. So, الجملة المفيدة قد تتركب من كلمتين وقد تتركب من أكثر وكل كلمة فيها تعد جزءا منها. That's simple. الجملة المفيدة قد تتركب من كلمتين وقد تتركب من أكثر وكل كلمة فيها تعد جزءا منها. Just that simple. I've already even explained that.
Yeah.
Therefore, so that they said 2 two qaida here, two qawaid. So the first one, التركيب الذي يفيد فائدة تامة يسمى جملة مفيدة ويسمى أيضا كلاما. Any combination of words, any combination of words that gives complete understanding, then it is called what? يسمى كلاما. It is called what? A statement or a sentence, or it is called الجملة المفيدة. So in Arabic language, the only time a statement could be meaningful is when the statement is complete. I hope you understand. And I think that is even to any language, right? And then the second qaida is al-jumla al-mufida to cut the tarakab. Now, for this statement to be complete, then it has to be a combination of what? Kalimatain. Two words or akthar, or so two or more words. وكل كلمة فيها تعد جزءا منها. And each kalima, each word in it, it is what? Actually counted as what? Part of the what? Of the statement. So what is he saying? What is he trying to say in English? That is what? Parts of what? Speech. You know, part of speech, right? When you say the boy is going to school. The boy is going to school. So parts of speech, you have to know what the there stands, what the boy stands, what the is stands for, and then going stands for, and then school stands for. So that's subject, verb, predicate. I hope you understand. Or subject, verb, object. Or subject and predicate. I hope you understand. So that's why he's saying ta'uddu juz'an minha. It is parts of every part. When you take every component of it, both of and you combine them, that is when you call it and it makes sense. That is when you call it what? Jumla al-mufida. And each word in the statement becomes what? Part of that statement. Meaning that when you take that word away, then it's not going to make sense. When you say al-bustanu jamil, al-bustanu jamil, al-bustanu jamil. If you take the bustan away and then you say jamil, you see now the sentiment, the sentence is not complete. I hope that's why you say ta'uddu juz'an minha, which is part of the sentence. I said that when you take one away, it becomes problematic. I hope this is clear. Now we are saying a word should be a combination of one word or multiple, right? So what about that? For it to make complete sense, right? So what about if I say kum is it one word, right? Of course, obviously.
It's one word.
Does it make sense or not?
Yes, it makes sense.
Why?
Because here, more or less, it's one word that has.
But okay, let me ask you this: is the sentence complete?
Yes.
Kum, because it makes it complete. Because the definition is that al-jumla al-mufida. It says multiple of two words, right? It has to be multiple of two words. But this is for it to make complete sense. So it to be jumla to mufida, a jumla or a sentence or a statement that makes complete sense. All right. So that means that we're talking about two things.
Yes.
Two multiple words, and then they have to make sense. Right. That those are the two conditions. They also have to what? Make sense, right? Now, if I get a word, one word that makes sense, then of course I can argue that it is jumla to mufida. So long as the word makes sense, but it has violated one qaida, which is what? Min kalimatain. Even though this makes sense, but it has violated one rule here. Because there are two rules. This is the first rule, and then this is the second rule. For any statement to make sense, it has to have these two rules.
Yes.
So if I have this one, kum, It is one word. One word.
No.
But it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
So someone can argue, why are you saying it's not a sentence? Or it's not a complete sentence? Why are you saying that? Then we tell the person that because it is not what? It is not, what is the name?
It's constructed.
Constructed on two words.
Yeah.
Because it has violated that. Alright?
Yeah.
But when you look at this word very well, you realize that now, you see this definition. The real meaning of this definition is that it should be multiple, a construction of two words, right?
Yeah.
Now those two words could be, one of them could be open and the other one could be what? Mustatir.
Yeah.
Okay?
No.
Like something that is hidden. The other one could be hidden.
Yeah.
Before it can make sense. Why is it hidden? Because both of the communicators knows exactly what he's talking about.
Yeah.
What we are talking about. If someone does something, so like the Al-Bustan Jamil. Al-Bustan, the first one, Al-Bustanu Jamil. Jamilun. Right?
No.
Jamilun. I have to mention Al-Bustanu Jamilun for it to be complete, right?
No.
But if both of us we are in the garden, we all know the garden. We know the garden that we are talking about. I can choose to omit this, right? And then say Jamil, because we are in the garden. In the garden, we are all talking about. So because you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. I know what I'm talking about. Both of us are aware of our surroundings, what we are in.
Yeah.
So I can say Jamil. If I say Jamil, it will make sense to you because you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Right? So that's why I can choose to omit the first one.
No.
I hope you understand. To omit the mubtada and then the khabar will still make sense.
Yeah.
I hope you understand.
No.
So it's the same thing that is happening here. So if I say kum, the complete meaning of the statement is what? Kum anta. Or kum anti.
No.
I hope you understand. So that means something is actually omitted.
No.
Even though it is one word, obviously it's one word, but in actual fact, in essence, there is another word that is omitted.
Yeah.
And that word that is omitted is what? Anta.
Yeah. No.
So that is the complete. Kum anta.
No.
You stand up. So if if let's say there's only two of us here.
No.
And I say, do I need to say stand up? Huzaifa?
No.
I mean, that's making, you understand? Yeah. But if I say, if there are so many of us, and there are a lot of them, I can say, I can mention your name specifically and ask you to stand up. Okay? So if I say, kum, obviously, automatically, you know that I'm referring to you. I hope you understand. So that's why the kum anta, the anta is what? Mustatir.
Yep.
So this is what? Fi'l al-amr.
No.
Right? So where's the fa'il?
The fa'il is mustatir.
Mustatir. ضمير مستتر تقديره
أنت.
So that is so still it doesn't violate the what? The qaida.
Yeah.
Doesn't violate the qaida. The qaida is still there. Just that someone who is not who doesn't understand Nahu, even though he will understand, but he wouldn't understand the reason why it's still a complete statement.
Yeah.
I hope you understand.
No.
So these are some of the things. Like another thing, so I say idhab.
Yeah. No.
I hope you understand. Some of those. So this is actually what Jumla al-Jumla to the Mufida is for today. All right?
No.
So we'll continue, inshallah, in our next meeting. Inshallah, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make things easier for us, inshallah, in terms of both teaching and understanding. ربنا تقبل منا انك انت السميع العليم وتب علينا مولانا انك انت التواب الرحيم واغفر لنا فانك انت الغفور الرحيم لا اله الا انت سبحانك انا كنا من الظالمين. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى ال محمد كما صليت ورحمت وباركت على ابراهيم انك حميد مجيد. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد
لله رب العالمين.
سبحانك اللهم أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك وإلى اللقاء آخر والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.